Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will see some CAD blocks. In last sessions, we have created some furniture items like sofa chairs and tables, etc. In this session, I will show you some CAD blocks regarding auxiliary furniture items. Once you start creating 2D AutoCAD layouts, which are furniture type, you must need some furniture to fill in the space. So, along with this session, you can use this file which is attached all along this lecture. For instance, you can see this is a side table and there is a table lamp on top of it. If you want to recreate it, you can simply use rectangle command 3 times and 2 concentric circles. And in this way, you can create the same thing. However, if you want to use the same structure, you can use it as well. It was just to show you that these are not very complex structures. You can simply create them if you think very simple and start from the very basics. Like here is a side table with a lamp, and then there was with a television. Here are a few showcases like almirahs and some other patterns. Here are some bar tools, some lamps. You can change their orientations as well. What you need to do is simply explode it and then change it. For instance, here is an almirah with some books. So it is a library almirah. You can explode it, you can edit it and change the different attributes as per your requirement. For instance, here is another almirah. Here you can see there are different type of pots and bottles. If you want to edit them, you can simply explode them, and in case we don't need this structure or geometry, we can simply delete it and create a new one. Let's create a small and simple geometry just to show you how you can create different things. I have used an ellipse, then here is an arc. Now I can mirror it and get a simple structure that could be placed inside an almirah. Let's undo it and get back to the original one. Similarly, you have these locker type almirahs as well. So, in case you need some addition in it, like for instance, we need to show a representation of a lock that is available all along. We can simply make an ellipse, then we can copy it with this reference and place it on the other two as well. So in this scenario, you can use different type of auxiliary furniture items and they can be accessed all along with this lecture. There are different internet websites from where you can buy or you can use some free CAD blocks. I will show them to you once this session is completed. So, see you in next session. Till then, take care.